Meaning of fanzine.
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 Fanzine. A fanzine is a non-professional, self-published magazine that is created by fans for fans. It typically covers a specific area of interest, such as science fiction, music, or a particular TV show or movie franchise. Fanzines were popularized in the science fiction fandom community in the 1930s and have since encompassed a wide range of subjects and formats. They are often produced in small print runs and distributed via mail order or at conventions. Fanzines can be seen as a way for fans to connect with each other and share their passion for a particular topic.